can hear somebody.
Go on, lads, go on!
Go on, any lass. Oh, good chase.
Go on, go on! Unlucky. Unlucky. Thought she's got that. She hit that rock there.
Nearly tag teamed it. Huh? We nearly tag teamed it.
Yeah, go on. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Told you. Yeah. Whoa. No, not yet, not yet. I told you it was here. I know it is. Here. She's got it. Go on, Angela. It's only under here. Time, Ferret man. Rabbit, Matt! Rabbit, Matt!
Ooh! Oh! Nice girl. Here, in all. In that hole there, for sure it is. This one friend, that one enemy. They both look similar. Friend, foe. Do you hear me? Friend, dinner. Yeah. This one friend, that one enemy. They both look similar. Friend, foe. Do you hear me? Friend, dinner. Yes, that's it, boy. That's what he does to him. That's what he does to him.
Dinner. Shh. She's got one. She's got one. Already? Yeah. Leave her then, leave us. Stay there. Watch that ferret. Yeah. Here, lass. Here you go. Good girl. Go on, here. Go on, here. Good girl. Rabbit. Go on, Reggie boy. Yes! Got her. She's here. She's gone in this same warren.
Rabbit. Size it up.
Told you they're coming out. Yeah, I know. Come on then. Nearly, lass, nearly. We're having that.
Look, it's going to bolt out in a minute towards Wayne.
They're fighting. I see it. She's seen it.
That's going to bolt when it comes out next time.
Oh, polecat's up. Oh, she's lost it! Oh, that's that big one.
Oh, he's still on top here, he's sat here. I know where it is, I know where it is.
She's got one.
Who's got one?
Ferret. Good girl. I'm not having it off you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Well, you could have been doing that. Oh!
Go on, Eddie. Go on, lass. Go on, Loz. Go on, Loz. No, you haven't let go.
Oh! And he's got it. No, missed it. Same place, like again. One bird stuck in a tree. Two birds here, one in bush. This will be Kayla in bush. No good to us. So this has either done the same trick as last time, or it's gone in here.
Yeah, and it's just run down here. Double back on it, said.
Not from here.
Oh, is that what it
That was
did
the second one.
Oh.
So I think it's in here. These two have ended up here. That were a good chase.
No, straight through bushes.
And he nearly got it. You see Lola powering out top of her?
Yeah.
Then she went through bushes, and bang! Come out of the side.
Just gone right down here.
Yeah, typical. Told you to be swimming this one. This is a good one. Damn. We're getting closer now.
Chasing.
Especially these two now going together.
You still in?
So we go back for that one when we're finished. For these two to end up in the same spot.
Yeah.
See that one move straight down middle of the field. Straight down fast.
Why didn't you get it?
Wouldn't do it, were
Oh yeah, you were.
Go on, Brig!
Yeah, got one.
Yes. Oh, let it go, Brig. Not fast enough. And he's going. And he's in.
And he's going, and he's in.
Go on, lass!
And he's in. Got it.
Watch Lola. Shan. Neil.
Not mine.
And he's here. She ain't got it.
That's not mine. Bastard. Yeah, that shows there. Hard lines, lads. That Lola had nailed that. I thought she had where she was gaining. Yeah, see it jump out. I've got a right shot of that. I think we'll all stand here. It's definitely going that way.
Go on, lass, go on, go on, go on, go on. Oh! Oh, yeah, what? Go on, lass. Go on, Eddie. Look, Eddie. Yeah. I think that's Eddie.
Yeah.
Both of them.
Tumble that one.
Come on, Mr. Tumble. Yeah, Matt.
Yeah, not bad. Well, file coming out.